procrastination is actually a chemistry problem. For a chemical reaction to occur, it will require an activation energy, which is the minimum energy required to initiate that reaction. In the case of procrastination, this activation energy is the emotional barrier that prevents you from starting a task, aka the reaction, which can stem from your anxiety, pressure, or perfectionism. Now, there are several ways to overcome the activation energy of a chemical reaction. First of all, we can use a catalyst. A catalyst lowers the activation energy by providing alternative, easier pathways for the same reaction to occur. And in this case, your catalyst includes breaking down a task into smaller and easier tasks. For example, instead of saying I need to revise for this whole subject, set up more specific goals, like I need to complete 5 concept questions or I need to read these 3 chapters. That way, your energy barrier to start a task will be lowered much more significantly. We can also increase the kinetic energy of the reaction system to overcome the energy barrier. Kinetic energy is affected by many factors in the external environment, such as pressure and temperature. And it's the same case for procrastination. Maybe your table is messy, so your mental focus is being drained by the clutter. Or you feel like your house is claustrophobic, so your anxiety hinders your motivation to start. That's why you need to increase your kinetic energy by optimizing your working environment. And this can be done by changing your working location to a library, a coffee shop, or even a park if you're a nature lover. Believe me, the working location can affect your productivity immensely. For me, I procrastinate so hard when I'm working at my home or dormitory, but I seldom procrastinate in study rooms where other people are present. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.